And I'll be filtering until I come home. So I'll be filtering until I go home. Yeah. Yes, I'll be filtering until I come home. And I'll be filtering, filtering, filtering till we go home. Hiya, how's it going? You alright? Oh, I'm gonna take the shortcut and then I'm gonna go really slowly. Oh! Thank you! I knew they wouldn't be shortcut goers. Oh my god, imagine having nothing to do on a Wednesday and you just go to a fucking fishery. What a life. More temporary lights. Brilliant. Perfectly timed. What the fuck are you doing? What was that for? Slow right down and then you didn't even fucking let them out. Idiot. Can't stay in your own lane either, can you? I think I do want in on this. Despite the peril. Perfect. Every time. Oh my god. Good grief. It's the apocalypse. Good lord. He's just gone up to that Picasso and said, "Did you know your number plate's hanging off?" Nice guy. That's some fucking intense filtering right there. How did I smell BO? What on earth smells of BO in traffic? It was a bike-filled morning.